What is up everyone, Inceptive here, welcome back to another market breakdown video. Just before we get started, I wanted to show you guys what my Discord server really is. I think a lot of you guys have the wrong idea of what it is, and I just wanted to go quickly through that, right? So what we have over here is different categories, different sections, right, depending on what membership you have. If you are a new joining member, our alerts currently are free, and that is the most part of the server that you guys need to know. So what we have is alerts over here, right? We have all these different analysts, including me. What we're doing here is give different alerts. You can see I've given Sand, CRO, Mana, Bitcoin, Cardano, all of these trades in here, right? We give trades, TPs, stop losses, the leverage you need to use, and everything. TA, okay. There's Iman in here. There's a lot of analysts, right? And it's nice having someone to guide you through every single play, especially when you're a beginner. It will help you see what type of trade you should be taking and everything like that. Okay. Also, we have crypto and forex in here for now. I have a trading view bot gives alerts as well. We have free education videos, and if you're a Cosmos member, Cosmic member, right, you get access to all of these trading videos, lessons, weekly meetings, psychology, all this good stuff, right? And so yeah, link will be down in the description below. Feel free if you guys want to check it out. So let's jump directly into the video. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly jump into XRP over here, guys. Now, if you guys did watch my last YouTube video, you guys would have seen that I showed you guys that XRP was a wedge in the bigger time frames over here, right? The purple trend line. Once we broke it, I told you guys, look for that buy. You're going to see an impulsive move up, and that is exactly what happened, right? If you guys watched that video and took entries on the wedge break, you would have been up about right now at 9.6% unleveraged, okay? Now, I don't like trading XRP on leveraging, mainly because of the impulsive moves that it has sometimes, and it has a lot of wicks and stuff like that, right? But I am holding a lot of XRP in spot, and I added to a lot of my XRP recently on this wedge break as well, okay? Now, what did I tell you guys? I told you guys that if we broke this wedge, right, we're going to see a test of this zone right here in purple, right, in red, and if we held that zone, we're going to see a nice move up. What we did instead was break the wedge, retest it, right? We'll just keep retesting over here, and this wick down here does not mean that this wedge was broken, okay? Wedge is only broken once the candles start closing inside of a wedge, right? You can see the wick this level right here, which I showed you guys, was strong support, right? That's exactly where you guys wanted to start buying, and what that created was a triple bottom. And whenever you guys see a triple bottom, most likely the scenario is that the coin is about to pump, okay? And that is exactly what happened with XRP. We formed a double bottom, right? Double bottom right here, okay? And what happened is we just completely shot up. Now, what do I see XRP doing now? Okay, now I do all of this on the fly, guys. I do not have anything pre-drawn. I'm going to refresh my charts right now and show you guys exactly what I see, okay? And straight away what I can see is that we've got a zone right here, okay, in pink, which is 1.0255. Now these are rough zones, guys. You shouldn't be taking this to the dollar. You can see we've kind of wicked below and above these a couple of times, but this is essentially the area which needs to hold, right, for XRP to continue this move upwards, okay? Now what I'm going to show you guys again is another trend line. Now I do trade mainly on a trend line basis, and it has been working out perfectly for me in the crypto markets. All right, so what you've got right now is this trend line that's been created right here, okay? And you guys can see also right now I'm on the 4 hour already move, okay? So this is going to be a big move if we do end up breaking this, okay, trend line. So what we've got is a initiation of the level right there, right? Test. That was the first test that we had. Second test, right? So as we can see, the more tests that we get of a trend line, the weaker it gets. And right now we're having the fourth touch, okay? Sorry, the third touch, right? And you guys can see this trend line is getting weaker and weaker. And right now XRP is currently breaking up. We can never be sure until the candles close above and we see a retest, some form of confirmation that we're actually closed above this trend line to see a nice move up, okay? But keep an eye out for that, guys. If we do see a break, what we can see is, I'm going to move down to the 1 hour time frame. What we're going to see is something like this, okay? We're breaking out right now, right? We might test that zone again, come back down, retest, and make our final leg up, okay? Now, where you want to be buying, essentially if this XRP wedge does hold, break up again, you want to start buying. So maybe enter 50% of your position for the long, somewhere around here, right? Now again, I did just move down to the 1 hour time frame, so I'm going to fix up the charts for you guys. Okay, so there's that, right? So what we have is that and that right there. Okay, so right now it does look like we are breaking up. The second thing you do need to hold, guys, is this trend line down here. If you do end up losing that, that is a you should be seeing a correction on XRP, right? What would the correction be? I'm just going to move to the high to the low over here, right? Bring this down over here, fix it up, straighten it up, right? You're going to see a test of essentially this area right here, which is 0.9697. Do I see that happening anytime soon? No. And that is because Bitcoin has just given us another confirmation. I will be uploading that video soon. We have this broken out of the channel that I told you guys, okay? And so we should be seeing a nice big move on Bitcoin, and the entire market should be bullish tomorrow morning, okay? Now, so that's XRP. Just going to move back to the bigger time frames now, to the 4 hour. So it's just going to move to the daily as well. So what did I tell you guys? I told you guys that we're creating a double top at this point in time, okay? And a double top, the breakdown targets were essentially from the high to the low, connected to the bottom, right? And we're going to test the 0.5175 area. And I told you guys the only time that was going to become valid is if we end up losing this zone right here, okay? Which is the support. Just going to get rid of that zone. Which is the support of this double top. Now, a double top only becomes invalid once we start breaking some form of structure in that double top. Over here, what we did is fail to break below that support over there, right? And what that did is caused XRP to just make a move up. Now, we are not out of the red on XRP. Why are we not? Because we do need to break this wedge as well, okay? This wedge right there. On the daily time frame, it does look like we've broken up. Right now, the candle has 8 hours and 58 minutes left. Once this candle does close outside of the wedge, we are good for our continuation, for our move up, right? But expect to see retests of this trend line. We do see retests on bigger time frames, right? Once you do see that retest, that is essentially where you want to be buying, okay? And our technical targets, where do I see XRP going in the next day or so? I see it falling to at least, rising to at least 1.0895, okay? And that is a rise of about 7.46% again, right? Now, if we do continue moving through that zone, your next TP will be around 1.1502, okay? And if we can break through that as well, we are good for continuation on XRP for the bull run, okay? And this is essentially, I feel like we've caught the bottom of XRP for this, the leg up that XRP is about to happen, about to take, okay? So that's XRP, guys. Now, if you guys are swinging, again, I show you guys on every technical video. Essentially what I've done is bring the low, just draw the Fibonacci and bring the low to the high, right? This is going to act as support and resistance zones. I'm just going to move my zones out to make this clear. Okay, and you can see we've held the 0.5 to 0.618 level quite nicely. Now, if you are looking for swings, it's all good to start entering once that candle, the daily closes above that trend line, and what your TPs will be for this next leg up. Again, guys, if you're trading spot, that just means you're a safe trader. You don't like trading leverage. That does not mean you have to hold the entire move throughout the bull cycle, right? What you can do is get out at technical targets and then get back in once another pullback happens, right? That way you're making just more profits in general, okay? So the first take profit that we're going to have is 1.6231 based on the Fibonacci. The next leg up, the XRP is going to take and then the final take profit that we're going to have is 1.9323. Now, once 0.618 is met, we should be seeing a nice pullback again to the 0.27 extension of the Fibonacci, which is 1.6249, and that is essentially where you want to be buying back in for the next leg up that we're going to have in this bull cycle, okay? And I will keep you guys updated on every single move that XRP makes, so make sure you've subscribed and like and share the video, okay? Now, if you guys do want to enter the giveaway, again, by linking the Discord, link for the Discord is down in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, take care, bye.